This video is a summary of the basic section of this course and a wrap-up of the things we've learned. So I hope you had fun during this whole class and course and had a chance and time to watch a couple of the videos. If you did, I would hope that you have accomplished the following. I hope that you're now able to understand and distinguish different additive manufacturing processes by the categories, that you're able to differentiate trade names from categories. And as a reminder, what I mean by that is remember selective laser sintering and powder bed fusion. Selective laser sintering is the trade name for polymer powder bed fusion, but it's actually misleading because it contains sintering in the name, even so it's a melting process. You should also be able to know the typical materials for each process. You should start to understand the interaction between material and process. You remember when we talked about the UV curing processes, for example, VAT photopolymerization, it was important that we had a liquid with low viscosity, that the VAT was actually working, that with the bottom-up approach, the resin was able to flow in between the gap. All of that is only possible with a thermoset resin. And last but not least, I hope you know now some of the advantages and disadvantages of the different processes. Again, I hope you enjoyed this part. I encourage you again to leave comments below the videos so we can look at what you understood, what was a little harder to understand, where you have additional questions, and if we should make some additional videos. And with that, I thank you again for joining us, and I invite you to also join the advanced section of this video series that will start in a few weeks. So stay tuned.